That's pretty hot there. Amor, I will say I'm very happy to be here in the Hassayampa Inn for the holidays, which you're inviting people to come do.
Thank you, Brad. Thank you so much for coming today.
I love this. All right, let's talk a little bit about the hotel first, what you can come in and do right here in the lobby.
Absolutely. So Hassayampa Inn, been here almost 100 years, getting ready to celebrate our anniversary. We have Prescott's living room right here. I invite everybody in all of the time to come and enjoy it. Live music 7 nights a week, happy hour in our restaurant, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah, and it's the holiday time to come and enjoy Prescott, Arizona Christmas City with some great events happening.
Absolutely. So we have our courthouse lighting on the Courthouse Plaza on Saturday, December 6th. The first Christmas I actually remember from being a little girl. The view was a little different, lots of Wrangler pockets and whatnot, but you know. So we have a parade during the day. About 1 o'clock, I believe that parade happens. Santa is always present for that parade. And then that evening, we have our courthouse lighting when we light over 100 trees around the plaza.
Yeah, it is so great to see and enjoy that with the family and come through the hotel, maybe stay, which is really nice too. You can get a little bit of a history here. But then you mentioned the next weekend, which is music. And this is kind of interesting because I thought there'd be carolers walking around knocking on people's doors.
So the Acro Musical Showcase is actually a scholarship where we have musical acts at tons of businesses down around the downtown plaza, and we ask the shoppers to travel from space to space instead of the musical acts.
That is so much fun. As you mentioned, it's a fundraiser, which is really great for this community to continue music with the different students, which is really nice.
Yes.
But also I like where you can stay here for maybe New Year's Eve with the big boot drop.
Yes, our New Year's Eve boot drop every year for, boy, over a decade now, and it's become more and more popular. And I think it's because we have 2 different boot drops, one at 10 o'clock and then once again at midnight.
I like it, so much fun. Now, you can stay here or you can actually come here and visit the living room for free.
Yes, absolutely. And our staff, you know, are more than happy to share any of our hotel history with you.
I like it. All right, but to stay here, you got to make sure you make reservations. So where can they do that?
HassayampaInn.com or 928-778-9434.
I like it. And for everything happening up here in Prescott during the holidays, head over to our website, cw7az.com.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored by Hassayampa Inn.